So I'm not sure if you can tell, but no more debris everywhere. A lot of stuff has happened here. It's currently April 30th, so it's been 26 days since closing. And this is where we're at. I just got here to put the last coat of paint on my kitchen cabinets. And if you remember, the floors are this like, I mean, they're obviously covered in dust right here, but they're this like really, really red, like cherry stain color, except not anymore. And I'm so excited. So the hardwood floor guy started yesterday and he did his first round of sanding. He didn't edge in the kitchen yet because he knew I was doing one more round of paint. So just in case anything dripped, or see how it kind of gets on the floor right here. So that was the color of the floor. And this is just after one round of sanding. And I'm so excited about it. It looks so much better, so different. It's actually starting to look like a house, guys, like a livable house. And then behind me, my kitchen cabinets are now white. And the shaker style doors are going up at the end of the week. So, super excited about that. The kitchen already looks so much brighter. It's kind of a dark room because you have this wall right here blocking the light from the front of the house. And that's really the only window in the kitchen. So it's usually a pretty dark room, but like painting these cabinets like an off-white versus having them be the wood color helped it so much. It already looks so much brighter in here. I can't wait to like paint the ceilings with a fresh coat of paint, get this green off the walls, get this blue off the walls. It's gonna look so much more open and light and airy in here, and I'm so excited for it. So I found out that these are actually mahogany floors, which is like insane. I guess these are like really expensive hardwood floors. So we really lucked out, and they're not damaged, they're not warped or bowing or anything like that. There's no big scratches or gouges in them. So we got super lucky with that. But yeah, my job for tonight, my goal for tonight rather, is to get the last coat of paint on these cabinets so the hardwood floor guy can come back in here tomorrow and edge the kitchen and officially complete his first round of sanding. So I'm hoping it's not going to take that long. I'm hoping I can get out of here in like 2.5 hours. But my friend and I took, I think 2.5 hours last night to do the first coat, and that was with 2 of us. So I might be here for like 4 or 5 hours. So wish me luck. It is 6:03 right now. So I'm hoping I can kind of get into a groove and bang this out pretty quick and go home and relax. But such is renovation life. So I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. They are done. Well, I mean, obviously they're not done because the doors still need to get put on and everything else, but they are fully painted. It is currently 8:15. I finished about 10 minutes ago. So I actually did it in like 2 hours. So that's crazy. I like cranked. I guess I just put my music on and went for it. But oh my God, they're done. Doors get put on later in the week. It already looks so different. I can't wait to paint the ceilings, paint the walls. Everything is going to be so much brighter. It looks so much better. And then when the floors get done, it's just gonna be like a totally different house. So here we go. So much brighter. Oh my God, it's so much better. I'm so excited. So this is the Benjamin Moore advanced paint. It is more money per gallon, but it's so worth it, because what it does is you can see it kind of like over here. I had to use a paintbrush because the roller couldn't fully get in here. But what it does is it kind of, I guess it starts off as like a water-based paint, and then it goes to an oil base as it dries, and it kind of like billows itself out and molds to itself. So you can't see any brush marks, you can't see like any roller smudges, nothing like that. It's really awesome. It looks like I sprayed the cabinets, but I totally didn't, because you guys watched me paint them, so. But yeah, highly recommend the Benjamin Moore Advanced line if you are going to be repainting like furniture or cabinets or anything like that, so. Slowly but surely turning off all the lights, and we're going to get on out of here. Okay guys, so I just got back into the car and I'm going to head home for the night, relax a little bit, and try and get a halfway decent night's sleep. So the rest of this week, I'll try and give you some updates on the floors, if anything else happens with the floors. This weekend we'll probably start painting some of the walls and the ceilings and replacing some of the trim. Hopefully our doors and windows will come in this week, and those will get replaced next week, and then my cabinet doors go on later this week, I think. So lots of things happening, but I'll keep you guys updated, and thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and I'm hoping that I can get these videos up more often than what has been happening. I don't even think I posted one yet, but I wanted enough content, for one, and for two, my external hard drive's been broken, and my computer doesn't have enough memory anymore from all my videos, so we'll get that figured out and get it up for you guys. But thanks, I love you, and I'll talk to you later.